I just got this dryer kit. It's a 4-incher, right? Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so here's what you get. You get this expandable, flexible hose. You get 2 clamps, one for this side, one for that side. And you get this, and look at this. It's a magnet, watch. Super strong, right? So this, you would put in here, and this would be connected onto that. So this, you would put into the wall, like that, right? And you'd put 1, 2, 3, 4 anchors in it. And then this would be connected to this in here. You know what I mean? I mean, I guess we could go ahead and just break this open, right? All right, let's just go ahead and look at this. All right, so here's this. Now this expands. You see that? So this will expand, and I think about 4 feet of it at least. And these are the clamps that you would use. And what you do is you get a Phillips head right here, and you would clamp it down on both ends. You follow me? This would come out, and it would be extended. Let's just pull that out a little bit. I'm going to bend this part over. Just like that. All right, now what I want to do is I want to put this right in there. But first I want to get this around it, just like that. And then I'm going to, once I get that down in there like that, I can get my Phillips head on it and tighten it down. Just like that. And this is going to hold it onto that collar. You see that? Then I just come over here, bam. Now you just got to connect this end to your dryer. And that's basically it. These, of course, we go here, 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 and here. That's it. And then I'm going to smush this down for now and just leave it like that. And then when we get ready to install it, if we ever have to, I don't need it right now, but in the future, I may need that. And we want to keep these too, so I'm going to put them in there. And we'll put it right back in the box. Yep. All right, that's it. A dryer kit.